span left to right. मैम यहाँ पे सामने सामने मैम हो गया आपके राइट पे मैम अब एक सेकंड सामने यहाँ पे सामने मैम यहाँ पे मैम ओके थाला मंदिर मैम यहाँ पे थोड़ी मंदिर मैम थोड़ा यस look here मैम मंदिर जी मैम look here मंदिर मैम यहाँ पे मंदिर मैम सामने मंदिर मैम सामने मंदिर मैम क्यों मैम यहाँ पे
कुछ बोलना है? मैं एक बात बोलना चाहती हूँ। एक्चुअली मैं पहले ब्यूटी अवार्ड्स से आती आई हूँ, बीच बीच में नहीं आई हूँ, पर मुझे याद है द फर्स्ट सेट ऑफ ब्यूटी अवार्ड्स जो हुए थे ओबरॉय में, उस वक्त ओबरॉय था, ट्राइडेंट नहीं, और बहुत ही स्मॉल स्केल पे, बहुत ही छोटा सा सेट ऑफ अवार्ड्स था, एंड इट्स सो नाइस टू सी दैट द वोग ब्यूटी अवार्ड्स हैज़ ग्रोन द वे इट हैज़. So very happy. It's always nice to hear about all the winner products, all things connected to beauty, and after being tried and tested by a very good jury, a very capable and competent jury, I know what my next beauty shopping list is going to be.
You're looking absolutely gorgeous today. Just tell us something about your attire and who are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a design I've never worn before, Jade by Monica and Karishma. They actually did Fashion Week with me. We shared a show many years ago, maybe 3 years ago. So then they and I were fighting about things, about who goes first, what about the models, how are they going to look. And here I am, a couple of years later, wearing one of their creations. They're very, very creative, and I think they have heavy and they have light, depending on the occasion. Happy to be wearing them.
Hi Mandra, I'm Jem from the Vogue team. Can I get a quick picture of you? Thank you.
7:30 was invite time. I was thinking 8 o'clock is a good time to come. But currently 8 o'clock is also very early. How are you? Good to see you.
Yeah. Hold on, thank you.
Center. Look here. Look here, center. Your right. Sir, right side. Right side. Look here. One more here. Over here. Excuse me. Your right side. Look sir. Over here.
Hello, gentlemen. I'm Jem from the Vogue. Can I get a picture of you?
They'll figure it out.
Right on your right. Back center, please. Center.
Yeah, sure.
Happy, I'll just call me 1 second. I'll just get my bag.
Straight up. Madam, straight here. On your right. Straight here. On your right side. Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Over the top right. That's right. Over here. Have your seat. Ma'am, take it. On this one. Yes, ma'am. Do that. Ma'am, yes, look here. Ma'am. Thank you.
Shaka, I'm done.
Elena, straight over here. Look here. Elena, your right side. Elena, over here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey, Lena.
Hi! How are you? I haven't seen you like any day.
Beautiful, I
Thank you.
know.
I love you.
Thank you. I'm so good. I'll see you inside. Let me get the picture.
All right.
Thank you.
No.
So on the second mark, sir, second.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
So over here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just pull a little bit on your right, please.
On the second mark. Yes, straight. Yes, look here. Next one. Yes, center.
Yes, ma'am. Happy?
On your right side.
Quick solo.
Left camera. Left. Alana, straight look here.
Yes, center.
Yes.
Yes, center. On your right side, right side. Yes, center. One more here.
Right here, center.
Center. Straight here.
Thank you.
All right.
Yes, straight here. Come on. Yeah. I'm here. Straight. I'm here. I'm here. One. Right here. On your right, please. On the second mark.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, straight. Over here.
Thank you.
Hey, Shai. Anja.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Can I get a quick picture? It's better. Send it to me. I'll send it. Pakka.
Hi.
Center, both of you. Both of you, right, please.
Your right.
Look here. This camera.
Excuse me, your right.
Now straight here.
Center. Center. Yes, look here.
Right, right.
Sir, center, please. Yes, over here.
Hi, Kosa. I'm done. How are you? Quick picture of you. Yes. I'm wearing an emerging talent.
ट्रेन रूम के क्लाइंट का फोटो ही नहीं मारने Yes. सही है. Look here. Look here. So here. Look here.
Yes,
Over here. Yes, look here. Ma'am, left. Over here. Sit down here.
आजा आजा आके बोल क्या
बोथ ऑफ यू सामने आ स्ट्रेट सामने राइट साइड सामने ऑन द सेकंड मार्क प्लीज एकदम सामने
सेकंड मार्क
सामने सेकंड मार्क में यहाँ पे साथ में
या डाउन स्ट्रेट डाउन ऑन योर राइट प्लीज सोलो
साथ में नीचे साथ में
सेकंड मार्क यस सेंटर तू क्या नीचे यहाँ पे नीचे सामने
नीचे जी सामने एकदम
नीचे में अली भाई यहाँ पे अली भाई यहाँ पे
नीचे जी एकदम सामने आपके सामने नीचे जी सामने राइट प्लीज राइट राइट नीचे मैम एकदम सामने आपके यहाँ पे राइट ये स्टेप पे आ जाओ
सेकंड मार्क क्या
स्विच स्विच ऋषा मैम सामने सामने ऋषा मैम एकदम सामने ये सामने नीचे
यहाँ पे
सामने यहाँ पे एकदम सामने हाँ ऋषा वन मोर अली थैंक यू
Yes. Hello.
How are you? How excited are you आज की रात को लेके?
We are very excited and happy to be here together and happy to be in the city at around the same time.
So सबसे पहले तो आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि whom are you wearing today?
Who are you wearing, baby?
I don't know. What am I wearing? I don't know. But my Isha is my designer. I think she's the one who dresses me. Today I'm totally black. Just landed this morning. Yeah.
Well, he looks great.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing Alice and Olivia.
मलिका मैम यहाँ पे
We are both really busy.
मलिका मैम यहाँ पे
You want to go first?
I'm working on Prasthanam with Sanjita and myself. Just been shooting that. That's it.
I'm working on Instagram with Shakila.
Thanks.
सबसे पहले तो आपसे जानना चाहूँगी how excited you are.
I'm coming for the Vogue Awards for the first time and I'm really excited to be here.
Who are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a Gucci dress. It's one of my favorite Gucci dresses and I'm wearing Valentine shoes with it. Thank you.
मलिका जी एक
On the second mark, please.
विश्वास यहाँ पे
विश्वास यहाँ पे विश्वास यहाँ पे क्या
Hi.
सबसे पहले तो आपसे जानना चाहूँगी how excited you are about today.
I am very excited, as excited as my suit right now. I mean, I don't dress up formal usually, but for Vogue it's special, and it's a very different place to be.
Good evening, Vishwas.
Hi, how are you?
Does men is equally inclined towards beauty for themselves?
Yes, I mean, it's a strange question for me because I think men and women are equal in all parts, and beauty is also an aspect of it. So, yes.
Intelligent answer. Thank you so very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right here.
Ma'am, you're right, ma'am. Ma'am, you're right.
No, ma'am, here.
Ma'am, you're right.
Your right side, ma'am. Ma'am, look here.
Ma'am, you're right.
On your right, please. Thank you. Silence here. One more time. 7, 8, X.
That's it. Moving forward.
Thank you. On the top line. Thank you. Right. Thank you. Straight, yeah? And left, right. Straight, ma'am. Look center here. Left. Straight. Look straight, one more straight. Smile is here. On your right, please.
Now straight here.
Yeah, look straight, yeah. Excuse me, ma'am. Straight. Hurry here. On your right, please. Yeah. And next mark. Second mark.
Excuse me, ma'am, yeah.
Look here.
Excuse me, यहाँ पे.
Look here.
Jump from the boat. Who are you wearing?
Anil sir. Thank you, sir. Please. Yes. Straight. Straight here. Going to mileage here.
Madam.
Second mark. Very good. Right here.
Yes, ma'am.
Look here. Look here.
Excuse me.
Mileage here. Look here, man. Straight. Both of you straight. Let's look here.
I'd like a picture of myself.
So mine is here, down here.
Yeah, let's do it.
Thank you.
Where would you like it? Let's be here.
Oh shit, sorry, I'm so sorry.
Sorry. You'll be surrounded by the ladies. Sorry.
All right, please. सामने एकदम सामने लेफ्ट की तरफ है सारा जी यहां पे सारा में लेफ्ट सारा में मुझे सेकंड में स्ट्रेट ना आप दिख रहा है सो मैम ऑन द सेकंड मार्क ये दादा
Yes, ma'am.
मैम यहां पे जगह
Ma'am, यहाँ पे.
मैम यहां पे ऊपर India into minus 3. One more time, wait.
Take one from me as well, because then I can post
Perfect, thank you. No problem. On the second mark.
यहाँ पे आप sir.
Over here. Thank you. Correct. सामने एकदम आपके एकदम सामने मैम लुक स्ट्रेट मैम स्ट्रेट
Yeah, ma'am, center up. यहाँ पे मैम सेंटर सामने यहाँ पे मैम सेंटर राइट प्लीज ये मैम सामने यहाँ पे ये मैम सेंटर में पीछे एकदम सामने on your right on your right मैम यहाँ पे मतलब सेकंड मार्क बस मैम राइट से शुरू करेंगे एक्सट्रीम राइट से एंड देन गो slowly towards your left यस मैम यहाँ पे सामने मैम सेंटर प्लीज मैम सामने ये मैम सामने या मैम यहाँ पे मैम यहाँ पे या मैम
सबसे पहले तो आपसे जानना चाहूँगी like how excited you are about this.
Well, I've judged the Vogue Beauty Awards. I'm hosting it this year and I'm really looking forward to the evening. Some very special people are going to receive felicitations from Vogue tonight and I think it's going to be a truly beautiful night. I'm wearing Nikhil Tampi and what I really love about the gown is that it's made by a fabric called Liva, which is a sustainable fabric made with eco-friendly practices and I think it's beautiful.
Your one secret, beauty secret.
I think the most beautiful people are people who have positive thoughts and actions. I really believe in beauty is what beauty does. I think that fashion is transient, style is eternal, and I feel that Vogue has always celebrated style, and I think what fashion trends represent is people's mindsets, feelings, socio-political environments. You know, if you notice, the trend of colors is usually connected to seasons. It's connected to what the world is feeling. So it's very interesting to follow fashion trends and learn about them.
Yeah, after Sinhu, what next?
There's lots of exciting work happening. I'm very happy and very excited about the incredible love Sanju has received. And all of us who are a part of the film are overjoyed and grateful for the audience's love. Well, more exciting work, hopefully more exciting scripts. लेकिन मैंने promotions के time भी यही कहा था कि मैं वही काम करूँगी जिसे मैं दिल से मानती हूँ और जिसको सुन के, जिसके stories और scripts को सुन के मेरा दिल खुश होता है. Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, stand away. Like an army following. Yeah. Just one. Yeah. Just one of you looking at the camera.
Hi, good evening. I am very excited. This is my first ever Vogue Beauty Awards.
I just think it's what you are and it's your comfort. It is exactly what I think about fashion, and beauty is also what you are. It's your skin. I'm very excited, but it's just like 3, 2, 1, so nerves are now just creeping in, but very, very excited. I think that there have been a little more changes since the last time I saw it, so I'm very excited to watch it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hello, how are you? Hi, how are you? Very excited. Well, you know, Vogue is really, you know, the definition for all of us of fashion and beauty, and you know, today we're here, so I'm sure it's going to be very a lot of fun. Well, माहौल I think yes, हमारे लिए तो काफ़ी टाइम से माहौल रहा ही है, even while we were shooting और शूट के बाद भी, और कल मैंने ट्रेलर देखा है, ट्रेलर लॉन्च है परसों, so I'm really looking forward to it and I'm very excited.
चैलेंज के बारे में सुना है आपने?
जी, वो आप मुझसे यहाँ नहीं करवा सकते हैं, of course. Yeah, I think जो लोग भी कर रहे हैं, they should be very, very careful about it and be responsible about it. I think it's a little dangerous. It looks very nice when people do it, but I do think that you know, challenges भी मतलब there's a line that needs to be drawn. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Great. Hi. How are you?
Nice to see you on part of the Vogue.
Thanks. I'm feeling very, very fashionable today.
And what would you like to suggest for the beauty for the people?
Wear whatever you like. Be comfortable in what you wear.
And you want to ask something now? Whom are you wearing?
I'm wearing Ishani Jaiswal and Meenawala jewelers. Yeah?
Anything learn from your 4 stars of your last screen as far as other classes?
Always be fashionable and Vogue. Yeah. Oh, okay.
आलिया के साथ आपने किया था ना?
हाँ जी, मैं ही हूँ.
और कोई एड्स करने का है अभी आने वाले समय में?
You'll have to wait and watch.
And any film?
Again, you'll have to wait and watch.
Any plans to work with your father in a film?
Let's hope so. I don't know. If there's something exciting, why not? That'd be great, I think. Thank you. Bye.
Ma'am, on the second mark. Yes, yes, up over here. Thank you. Sanjit, up over here. Sanjit, over here. Sanjit, over here. Thank you. Sanjit, over here. Thank you. Okay, man.
Hi.
Just come in, try to make this all of it.
I have to get the
Janvi towards your right. Janvi towards your right. Janvi towards your right. Janvi towards your right. Janvi, right side, your right side. 1%. Janvi, your right side. Janvi, yes, on your right, on your right.
Janvi, this side. Janvi, second mark. Janvi, on the second mark. Janvi, on the second mark.
Janvi.
हाँ, यही देखना। ये अच्छा भाई, इधर ही। अब राइट से शुरू करना, धीरे-धीरे करते करते। हाँ, जानवी यहाँ देखना। जानवी यहाँ पे, अरे राइट बोला तो तुम। जानवी,
Janvi this side, corner.
जानवी आप
जानवी लेफ्ट साइड कॉर्नर.
जानवी यहाँ पे दिखता
जानवी
है,
आप
राइट
यहाँ.
जानवी
जानवी
straight here.
जानवी आप यहाँ. चलो संकल्प प्लीज.
ओके
Thank you.
Happy evening, Janvi.
Good evening.
And first time at Vogue.
Yeah, it's my first time here.
But आपका इसका cover भी था ना इनके साथ.
जी कवर था लेकिन रेड कार्पेट और अवार्ड शो नहीं था. This is my first solo red carpet award show.
Must be a special feeling for you.
Yeah, it is special. It's a little weird too. I'm so used to accompanying mom and dad to these things. I always have their hand to hold. So now I don't know whose hand to hold. I'm a little nervous.
Whom are you wearing today?
I'm wearing Ralph and Russo. My sister Ria Didi has styled me.
What's your secret style statement?
My secret style statement. I don't have a style statement. My secret style statement, nothing. Just be comfortable, be happy. Beauty statement, just put as much food as you can on your face. It's good for your skin.
Janvi, people are actually liking your
Yami over here.
products. So, like, what
Yami
next
towards your
now?
right. Yami one more straight here.
Secret.
Yami over here.
I can't tell.
Yami.
No, you know, I feel like I'm not at liberty to say anything yet, but hopefully soon. I'm dying to work, but hopefully soon.
Janvi, apart from being actors, there are lots of actresses who are known for their fashion style and they are known as icons. Sonam also being one of them. Would you also aspire to be in fashion equally at greater heights in fashion, fashion icon?
I don't think anyone can touch Sonam Didi in terms of fashion. But you know, I personally love getting ready and I take a personal interest in what I wear because I enjoy getting ready so much. But I don't think anyone can try to be a fashion icon. I think that you know, as long as you enjoy yourself and people enjoy looking at you when you get ready, that's all that matters.
Done, thank you. Done, come. Bas,
Thank
bas,
you.
done, thank you. Come.
Okay, Janvi, after this photos, we get a quick picture. That's why it's time for
For both.
So welcome Yami Gautam with a new haircut.
Thank you.
Thank you so very much. कितना हम लोग ने फॉलो किया था आपको बाहर भी, मतलब आपके सलून के बाहर.
Asha, thank you.
Superb in this haircut.
Thank you.
Any beauty advice you would like to give to the people?
I think everybody is pretty wise for themselves in today's time. क्योंकि the whole entire world has come to almost on your palm. So you have beauty hacks, you have everything for every solution is there for every kind of a problem. So I don't know technically what should I say. What I just like to say that be comfortable, whatever you want to wear, whatever you believe in, and be happy. I think that's the most important thing.
Janvi, what next? What next project are you doing?
That's Batti Gul, Meter Chalu, and Uri, of course.
And we have heard now that finally your sister is like, मतलब क्या is making coming in the films now.
Yes, she's signed. She's already done with one schedule of Battle of Saragadi with Rajkumar Santoshi, and I'm very excited for her. This film is still is in progress of shooting, so there's still some time to go for that. But yeah, she's wrapped it up and she's really happy, and I'm really like.
She didn't come yet here. आपके साथ नहीं आई?
नहीं आज नहीं आई हूँ, but I'll say a hi to her. Thank you, thank you.
इस साल की सबसे ज़्यादा most awaited मतलब फिल्म इंडस्ट्री किस इंसिडेंट के लिए आप look forward कर रहे हो?
Incident?
Incident मतलब कोई happening event.
Happening तो आप बना.
अब देखो कई चीजें आप पहले बताना. प्रियंका चोपड़ा marriage?
You know, honestly, if it's I've never believed in commenting on anybody's personal life, but for everyone, if there's something special happening in their life, any occasion, obviously all the best to them. But personally, वो आप सब करते हैं, वो ये happening incident. Thank you.
बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट एकदम सामने आ गए। मैम यहाँ पे सामने। सामने यहाँ पे ऊपर मैम आप over here मैम over here मैम आप over here चित्रांगदा मैम आप over here मैम यहाँ पे ऊपर
Very welcome. So, like, how excited you are about it?
If I'm not wrong, I think this is probably the first Vogue Beauty Awards that I'm attending. It is very special. I mean, it's Vogue after all, you know. It's probably the biggest that it gets here. So yeah, I'm very, very excited. I think black and gold is a theme. So you will see a lot of black beauties here and it's lovely. Yeah, it's a great evening.
Whom are you wearing?
It's Port. It's a British brand. So that's what I'm wearing. Thank you. Oh, hi. Happy evening to you. No, I just think it's the Beauty Awards. Let's celebrate beauty in all forms. And I think it's not important to be perfect, but it's important to be confident of who you are. And I think that's actually beautiful. So be confident of who you are, and that's probably the most beautiful thing. Thank you.
Yes. Vidya ma'am, ikde samor over. Vidya ma'am, look here. Vidya ma'am, ikde. Dada, fresh dada. Thank you. Bhai, piche ho na. Vidya ma'am.
Very welcome.
Hello. Thank you.
कितने excited हो?
मैं बहुत कम बाहर जाती हूँ तो जब ऐसे फंक्शन के लिए निकलती हूँ तो अच्छा ही लगता है। आप सबसे मुलाकात होती है, इंडस्ट्री के दूसरे दोस्तों से भी मुलाकात होती है, अच्छा लगता है। हाय, हाउ आर यू? जी बिल्कुल, नहीं वही मैं इनसे कह रही थी कि मैं बहुत कम बाहर निकलती हूँ क्योंकि एक्चुअली प्रमोशंस के वक्त इतना बाहर निकलती हूँ कि उसके बाद लगता है कि मैं छुप जाऊँ थोड़े दिन के लिए। जी, मेरी पहली तेलुगु फिल्म होगी NTR, जो कि NTR पे एक बायोपिक है और मैं उनकी पत्नी की भूमिका निभा रही हूँ। 5 दिन की शूटिंग हुई है अब तक एंड इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग। पता नहीं था कि मैं तेलुगु बोल पाऊँगी, किस तरह से बोल पाऊँगी, पर अब तक तो सब कुछ सही चल रहा है मेरे ख्याल से। वो तो नहीं पता, पर यहाँ आकर खुश हूँ बस। Firstly, thank you, but I think beauty is a very, 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 big, large word for me. वो मेरे लिए एक सीमित नहीं है उसकी definition. I think I find beauty in things, in people, in all sorts of people, as in different looking people. And I think it's about who you are really. Yeah? आप मुझसे आके मिलिए। वो तो नहीं पता क्योंकि रिलीज कोई हो तभी तो अवार्ड्स के लिए मैं नॉमिनेट होंगी। देयर इज़ अ चांस दैट हैपन। एनीवे आई विल बी देयर टू चीयर whoever is winning, whoever is nominated. Thank you.
हमारी लेंस पे प्लीज मैम, एकदम सामने आपके शबाना जी। विद्या जी, विद्या मैम, शबाना मैम, शबाना सेकंड मार्क। विद्या मैम, विद्या मैम, एक साथ मैम, यार एक साथ शबाना मैम सामने। सारी
या बोझा क्या हुआ या बोझा क्या हुआ
राइट साइड में
यस ओवर या बोझा
या साइड में होगा नहीं
ओवर ये बोझा इधर इधर कमाना जी ऑन योर राइट कमाना मैम इधर
सेंटर सेंटर
ऑन माय राइट थैंक यू जोर मारना मैम एकदम साफ
Easy left में right please on your right
डेजी मैम यहाँ पे डेजी मैम ऊपर सामने डेजी मैम
look here
डेजी मैम up here
yes look here
डेजी मैम
one more take please thank you very nice thank you first mark bro first एकदम सामने आपके राइट साइड बोलो डोरा मैम सेकंड मार्क पे थाम बेटा थाम डोरा मैम स्ट्रेट डोरा जी एकदम सामने डोरा मैम टू राइट हां भाई डोरा मैम यहां माइनस शेप प्लीज वन मोर टाइम डोरा जी यहां पे डोरा यहां सेकंड मार्क डोरा जी सेकंड मार्क मैम यहां पे ऊपर या डोरा यस लुक या डोरा आप हो या डोरा यहां पे माइनस शेप पांच सेकंड यस ओ ये यहां पे डोरा आप डोरा हो या डोरा शिफ्ट हो या डोरा जी यहां पे देखिए डोरा जी सामने एक सामान्य वाले थे नोरा यहाँ पे नोरा आपके राइट साइड में नोरा हो गया
Hello. Hi, how are you?
Nora?
Yes.
First time in course?
Yes, yes.
What are your expectations and anything particular beauty advice you would like to convey to viewers?
Well, obviously my expectation is that it's going to be a lovely night. We're going to enjoy ourselves. There'll be a lot of beautiful people in there. Any beauty advice? Very simple. You know, you do what you're comfortable with. I don't really advise people to follow the beauty trends. You should just follow what suits you, your skin tone and your facial features, because that's what I do. Thank you. Thank you.
Brief about it.
Yes, so I'm doing a role in the film Bharat. And my scenes will be opposite Salman Khan and Sunil Grover. And I'm playing a very interesting character. She's a Latina, Spanish, feisty girl from Malta. So it's going to be very different for me at least, yeah.
Does Katrina Kaif joins you?
Yeah, not with me, no. She's not in the same scenes as me, but I mean... But she joined the film, yeah, and it's amazing. It's great news and I'm super excited. So it's going to be nice, yeah.
And when we heard about the Kiki challenge which you have done...
Oh God, yes.
Varun Sharma?
Yes.
Something like how...
So Varun Sharma is a good friend and we just finished shooting for a show together, and I really wanted to do the Kiki challenge in a very different way, in a comedy way, a little desi version of it. So I spoke to him about it and he agreed to do it, so...
Would you like to be careful because it's going somewhere hazardous for some people.
I can't hear you. I don't get into that. I do whatever I want. but ours wasn't dangerous. I mean, the rickshaw was not even on. It was pushed by someone, so there was a funny take. But honestly, whatever. I mean, I'm not going to stop people from having fun, you know what I mean? Be safe, of course, but there's always different ways of doing stuff, and we were very safe when we did ours.
Any makeup? Do you make up yourself or?
So usually I do apply my own makeup, but when it's like events like this, I like to use my makeup artist, who's Zoya, and sometimes Marcelo or Flavia, because you know, in front of the cameras, there's a specific way you put your makeup on. But on a daily basis, and when I'm just shooting or something like that, I like to do natural makeup.
And red color looks good.
Thank you, thank you.
And one beauty secret of yours.
One beauty secret? I have many, but number one tip for everybody is drink a lot of water. The more water you drink, the more hydrated your skin is, and it's best to get rid of pimples and marks and all that. Water, 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 water.
And had you chance to speak to Sushmita?
No, I didn't get a chance. I tried to reach out, but she was very busy. But she sent out a message saying that she really liked the song. You're welcome. Thank you.
आइए बताइए
We will be opening the doors in 10 minutes. Thank you.
both of you center here, Lucia. Yeah, ma'am. Right here, please. Yeah, जी आँख बंद रहा. Okay. Super. Yeah, both of you straight क्यों? On the second mark से सामने आगे सर. Yes, नेहा जी. अंगद यहाँ पे देखना. अंगद नेहा मैम यहाँ पे ऊपर. नेहा मैम. अंगद से यहाँ पे ऊपर. नेहा मैम. मैम याद नहीं या मैम यहाँ पे सर इधर नहीं इधर आओ ना सर अंदर से यहाँ पे ऊपर या मैम अंदर से यहाँ पे थैंक यू अरे रोड जी सामने एकदम सामने आपके यहाँ पे मैम यहाँ पे जी सामने यहाँ मैम आपके राइट साइड में यहाँ पे सामने सर यहाँ पे आपके राइट डबल मोर स्ट्रेट another right please सामने आपके दिया perfect thank you sorry hi great my pleasure very good I'm fat at the moment I don't see you
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Very well.
Who are you?
My name is
No idea. I'm directing. I'm writing. I'm producing. I'm doing everything.
Good to see you.
Neither her.
I'm telling you, we need to talk. Too beautiful. Chalo. If anything needs to be done, Angad, come.
सबसे पहले तो आप दोनों से जानना चाहूँगी how excited you are about to
Be here? How excited about you being
Okay,
here?
I'm not very excited to be here. I'm here because Priya is a friend and Vogue is, you know, something that it's a magazine that I love to read. And it's too much pressure getting dressed. It's not at all exciting. But it's great. We'll go inside and meet friends, yeah. कि झूठ बोलना था यहाँ पे आके.
No, I'm very excited.
Nice.
No, I am because it's the first ever time that I've been invited for an event by Vogue, and I think it's all due credit to my wife because, as you can see, मुझे नहीं पता मैंने पहना क्या, but I know Nikhil and Shantanu have made my outfit, but she's chosen it, so yes.
See how badly paid people are in this place.
Yeah, I'm excited to be here. Thank you for having us.
Sneha, whom are you wearing?
I'm wearing Anamika Khanna, and I'm wearing jewelry that I've bought literally off the street in Jaipur. I know that the memo said black and gold, but I like mixing it up once in a while.
Yeah, you can go and look for Arjun there. Look for Arjun.
Sorry. Yes. It was very hard judging so many beauty products. To me, all of them looked absolutely similar, and it was a high stress moment for me because it was 3 days before my hush wedding. So when Vogue said, "Why aren't you showing up on time?" I couldn't tell them that I was actually getting married in literally 48 hours. So it was a high pressure moment for me. Thank you very much.
Yep. Hi.
Okay, also, how excited you are about today?
I'm very excited. I mean, this is my first time I'm attending the Vogue Awards, and yeah, I'm just excited to be a part of it.
What is your personal style statement?
Worst style statement? I think mixing of the brands. Wearing too many brands, I think that's the worst thing one can do. Good evening, sir. I think so. Men are equally beauty conscious. I mean, मेरे हिसाब से तो वो पहले से भी है, वो आज से नहीं है, बहुत पहले से है. With me also, I think my mom and dad, अगर मैं compare करूँ तो मेरे पापा ज़्यादा beauty conscious है मेरी माँ से, so वो बहुत time से चला आ रहा है.
And would you like to confirm your next film?
For the next film,
Next film. What's your
my next movie is Luka Chupi, which is with Preeti Sanon, and it's a Maddox Films production, and Lakshman Utekar is going to be directing it, and I'm starting my shoot from tomorrow, so I'm actually leaving tomorrow and shooting from day after.
And have you heard about Kiki Challenge?
By the way, मैं उसमें रिपोर्टर ही बना हूँ, तो मैं बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज लेने वाला हूँ.
ऐसी कोई रिपोर्ट जिसने आधार पे आपने प्लानिंग एसीओ कैरेक्टर?
सॉरी सर, क्या?
कहाँ रहते हो?
अरे सर, आवाज़ बहुत, गाना बहुत तेज है.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ, any particular reporter on whom would you like to design your characters?
सर आप पे मैंने आपको बहुत बार नोटिस किया है, आपके क्वेश्चंस बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. हर बार आप रेडी रहते हैं और इतने सारे एक्टर्स आते हैं, एक्ट्रेसेस आती हैं, लेकिन सबके लिए आपके पास कम से कम 5 से 10 सवाल होते हैं जो उनके हिसाब से होते हैं, तो विच इज़ अ ग्रेट थिंग. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
बाय मिस हो गया.
No, I'll hold this. Hello. क्या सवाल पूछेंगे आप?
Dressed according to the occasion.
Yeah.
There is thought process which goes about this.
Yeah, I mean, इसीलिए we have the stylist because stylists always ask कि हम क्या event है, because it's a fashion event, so stylists wanted a fashion look, and filmy होता है तो थोड़ा filmy, but because it's fashion they want to do a little over the top, and it's Vogue Beauty Awards, and Vogue is famous for the beauty. Vogue is famous उनके covers, and their whole shoot is always extra and getting everything new every time, so I guess that's the reason. I am wearing Rami Kadi, and the look is a wet hair look with a bold lips,
We wanted to do something different. Hair का थोड़ा androgynous feel रखा है. So it just looks sexy and a little different.
On the second one, ma'am.
I hope so. That's the whole idea.
And any event which you are for the year, you are right, you.
Event that I'm looking forward. I don't know my film releases. I have like some 3 releases this year, so I think I'm looking forward to that. Paltan, my Iranian film Devil's Daughter, and then Total Dhamal.
Isha, there are a lot of girls that a lot of celebrities are getting married this year.
नहीं हो रही मेरी शादी, बॉयफ्रेंड भी नहीं है, मत पूछो मुझसे, मिलेगा तो बता देंगे.
I'm talking about other celebrities, like there are the strong girls about the Priyanka Chopra getting married with Nick.
She never called me and told me it's true or not.
What do you think?
I didn't get that phone call or a message. I swear she didn't call me. I don't know. Anything else? She didn't call me. So sad. She didn't call me. I wish I was the first person she calls and says that. But she didn't tell me. I don't know. But if she is, I mean, she's a queen. She deserves nothing less than that.
सर आइए सर, यहाँ पे सर, यहाँ पे सागरिका मैम इकडे मैम या मैम सबके राइट जय भाई सागरिका सर आपके राइट पे सर जय सर Right, please. अपने सामने नाम अरे वो सिर्फ हटा दो यहाँ पे सामने मैडम राइट साइड on your right please मैम सेकंड मार्क पर सेकंड मार्क राजनी मैम इकडे वरती समोर मैम समोर रवीना मैम इकडे समोर रवीना मैम इकडे रवीना मैम लेफ्ट Thank you ma'am.
Hi.
Very happy evening to you.
Yes, it is a happy evening. Hi Ravi.
रवीना जी, सबसे पहले तो आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि what's your secret?
What's my
secret?
I can't hear the last word. Sorry.
Beauty.
Secret beauty tip. So if I tell everyone, then what's the point? I believe vitamin E, I think, is very, very important. So whether it's external or internal, vitamin E in the form of dry fruits like almonds and stuff. And vitamin E oil is great for the hair, great for your skin. So that is something I swear by.
Whom are you wearing today?
I'm wearing Drishna Zara. One second. I just have to fix something. One second. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. No, you asked me whom I'm wearing today. Yeah.
Whom are you wearing?
Yeah. We went ahead, right? I told you. Yeah.
Okay. So
You know, somehow I'm not being able to hear you with the music. You speak up a little louder. That's I'm not understanding what you're saying.
What next? What next project of yours?
Oh, what next project? So I am sifting through a couple of scripts now. If something nice comes along, then I definitely will do it. And you had asked me about the designer. It's Drushna Zara. So just don't think Zara because I said the Drushna little soft. So it's Drushna Zara. Yes, Sumit.
Just back from holidays, we see lots of pictures from your side. It's refreshing coming back from the break.
I think it's always better. Everyone should get a break once in a while, and you get so used to the monotonous way of life. So कहीं भी निकल जाओ, चाहे वो weekend break हो या anywhere with your loved ones, you come back refreshed, recharged, and ready to hit it back again. Thank you, sir.
Ravina ji, there are a lot of buzz that a lot of celebrities are getting married this year. Like
I think it's amazing.
There's a big strong buzz that Priyanka is also getting married. What do you think about it?
So I think it's great the way she's handled her life, her career. I'm very proud of her. Thank you.
हमें भी फोटो लेके जाना है इनके बाद में हमें भी चाहिए रवि हमारे भी चाहिए एक फोटो यहाँ दे दीजिए प्रोफाइल वाले के साथ किया था ना मिस इंडिया यूनिवर्स आप है ना सारी such a brilliant mind and such a wonderful heart.
You're very kind. You're kind-hearted. That's why you say these nice words. Thank you
Look center.
Yes, यहाँ पे.
Look center. Let's look here.
You are right.
एकदम समोर. Straight down, yes.
Second one.
You're on the first one.
Yes.
Yes, over here. Look straight here.
Yes, stop.
Over here. Over here. Look straight here. Over here. Yes, straight here. Here, left. Thank you. Here, center. Here, look this camera.
Yes, second one.
Yes, look here. Here, straight here. Here, look here. Yes, straight.
Here, right. Here,
यहाँ पे ऊपर. Here, look here. यहाँ पे ऊपर. यहाँ पे ऊपर. Yes, look here. Here. Oh, here.
Right में. Yes, sir. You are right.
Yes, look here. आइए. बहुत जन गए भाई. सामने एकदम राजकुमार यहाँ पे सामने.
राजकुमार सेकंड मार्क कर. यस सर सामने.
राज से यहाँ पे ऊपर सामने. यस यहाँ पे राज.
राज सर सामने.
राज सर यहाँ पे.
Hi. Oh, just 1 second.
आपने यहाँ पे बोला मुझे दिखाई नहीं दिया. कहाँ पे बोला?
डायरेक्ट
Hi.
सबसे पहले तो आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि how excited you are about today.
I'm very excited. I'm getting this award. So I think it feels great whenever I get an award. And last year was very special. So I think the journey is still on. So yeah, as excited as last year.
Whom are you wearing today?
I'm wearing Hugo Boss. Yeah. Hi. How are you, sir? Long time.
सारी जगह प्रशंसा, चारों तरफ आपकी प्रशंसा हो रही है आपके काम की। बड़े अभिनेताओं, सीनियर अभिनेताओं या नए लोगों, सभी लोग आपके लिए बहुत प्रशंसा के शब्द रखते हैं। अच्छी अनुभूति।
Of course, I'm very happy about this, and I only have gratitude. I think God has been really kind that I got a chance to work with some phenomenal filmmakers, and that's the reason I think I could perform the way I could perform. और मैं उन सभी का बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ, दिल से आभारी हूँ जो मेरे काम को पसंद करते हैं, आप सब। So thank you so much. It just motivates me to do better.
आज भी आपकी स्क्रीनिंग हो रही है कुछ वहाँ पे भी?
Yes, पन्ने की स्क्रीनिंग चल रही है आज हमारी। मुझे यहाँ आना था तो इसलिए मैं नहीं जा पाया, बट कल एक और स्क्रीनिंग है तो मैं फिल्म देखूंगा वहाँ पर। I'm very excited for पन्ने खान and for स्त्री as well. मर्द को दर्द होगा इस साल।
आयुष्मान भी बहुत प्रशंसा कर रहे थे आपकी। आयुष्मान कल हमें मिले।
आयुष्मान ऑफ कोर्स खुद बहुत इतने अच्छे इंसान हैं।
एक चीज़ और, जानवी कपूर is also very big fan of yours. She has told, बताया उन्होंने कि she wants to have a picture with you. फिल्म देखने का मौका मिला, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे उनके बारे में?
Of course, I've seen the film. I think both Ishan and Janvi, they both are phenomenal in the film, and the film also itself is I really liked it. And शशांक ने बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बनाई है, बहुत अच्छा अडैप्ट किया है सायरात को राजस्थान में. And I hope I one day, you know, I'm very hopeful that जानवी और मैं साथ में बहुत जल्दी कोई फिल्म भी करेंगे.
जानवी यहाँ पर है आज, जानवी यहाँ पर है आज, फोटो दे पाएंगे उनको आज? काफी
फोटो जानवी मैंने बहुत पहले साथ में कर लिया उनकी फिल्म आने से पहले, but of course it will be, I think I'll be honored if Janvi, you know, takes a picture with me.
बॉलीवुड में काफ़ी बड़ी शादियाँ होने वाली है, उनमें से एक नाम ये भी आ रहा है कि प्रियंका is also getting married this year. So what do you really want to say?
I'm very happy for her. I think if she has found the right partner, there's nothing better in life than to find the right partner. So I'm very very happy for her if it's true.
राज, आप खुद ने अपने आप को एक नई स्टाइल बनाई है, कुछ स्टाइल और ब्यूटी के बारे में आपके कुछ शब्द अगर रहे?
नहीं सर, ये मेरी नहीं है, एक पूरी टीम है हमारे साथ. मेरी स्टाइलिस्ट है ईशा, जो मुझे जो पहनाती है मैं चुपचाप पहन लेता हूँ. बाकी मेरी पर्सनल स्टाइलिस्ट तो आई थिंक पत्रलेखा भी हैं, जो मुझे काफ़ी मदद करती हैं, काफ़ी हेल्प करती हैं कि मैं क्या पहनूँ क्या ना पहनूँ. बट आई थिंक फॉर एवरीथिंग दैट यू सी मी फॉर अपीयरेंसेस, द क्रेडिट गोज टू ईशा बंसाली. शी रॉक्स.
Thank you so very much. See you tomorrow at the screening.
Thank you. Yes, see you tomorrow. Please watch the film Pannne Khan and Stree both. I'm sure you'll enjoy both the films.
आप पे पूरा भरोसा है.
Thank you. मुझे भी आप पे बहुत भरोसा है.
आपकी प्रशंसा पूरी इंडस्ट्री कर रही है, and you are the toast of the town.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Hi Rajkumar, just a quick picture of Vogue and Stree.
Just feel भी नहीं आने जैसे खत्म होने का क्लाइमेक्स. On this side, middle, right.
मैम यहाँ पे यहाँ पे मैडम राइट में नुसरत लुक हियर ऑन द सेकंड मैम नुसरत आगे शिफ्ट अरे स्वीटी मैम यहाँ पे नुसरत मैम यहाँ सामने नुसरत मैम यहाँ पे ओ या नुसरत थैंक यू
Hi.
Okay.
Hi. How are you? Good evening.
How excited you are about today?
About today, I'm always excited about Beauty Awards because it gives you a time to sort of express yourself and be as fashionable as you can. And I love Vogue, yeah. I mean, nothing is better than that. So I think it's my dress, you know. I know you know. Beauty advice: wear what you can shine best in. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I know. You have.
On your right.
Now up here.
Center, ma'am.
Second ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Look here.
Right में देखो.
Sonakshi ma'am.
हाँ.
Sonakshi ma'am यहाँ ऊपर.
Sonakshi ma'am.
Sonakshi ma'am here left side. Sonakshi ma'am over here. Ma'am आपके सामने Sonakshi ma'am ऊपर यहाँ पे. Sonakshi ma'am यहाँ पे. Sonakshi ma'am. Sonakshi ma'am यहाँ पे.
राइट में राइट में
Sonakshi ma'am यहाँ पे. सामने आपके.
Hello.
A very happy evening. पूरे जो कैमरामैन से डेज़ल्ट हो गए आप.
असली सोना हूँ ना तो
सोने में
डेज़ल्ट तो हूँ ही. Thank you.
Okay, सबसे पहले तो आपसे जानना चाहूँगी whom are you wearing today?
This is a designer called Ali Yunus, and I'm very happy because I didn't have to accessorize at all. The dress speaks for itself, and I've been styled by my favorite stylist Mohit Rai. So yeah.
ब्यूटी के हमेशा आपने हर एक मापदंड देख लिए हैं, हम लोग आपको देख भी रहे हैं. उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
Sorry, किस
ब्यूटी के standards.
जी.
You have gone through all the standards probably.
Oh wow, thank you.
Yeah, and given answers to everyone. So
Yeah.
what you would like to say now?
I think it's very important to feel beautiful within yourself and very important to be confident with yourself. That's when your inner beauty really comes out. And honestly, हम ऐसे profession में हैं जहाँ पर beauty does play a very important role. But for me, it's always been very, very important to be beautiful from within.
एक ऐसा इवेंट इस साल का जो आप look forward कर रहे हो, सभी लोग जानना चाहते हैं आपसे.
ऐसा इवेंट?
इवेंट कौन सी ऐसी मतलब अपनी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की कोई चीज़?
अच्छा, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में मैं कहने वाली थी मेरा बर्थडे तो चला गया. अब अगले बर्थडे को मैं का मैं वेट कर रही हूँ.
और सोनाक्षी नहीं कौन सा इवेंट
मतलब ऐसे क्या?
अच्छा चलो ठीक है, ये हम बता देते हैं. इवेंट इनमें से कौन सा है?
आप मुझे कैलेंडर देंगे इस साल का?
मतलब इवेंट बता रहा हूँ. एक तो प्रियंका की मैरिज.
अच्छा, उन्होंने कहा आपको?
नहीं ऐसे लोग.
उन्होंने कहा आपको?
नहीं
तो फिर
भी आपका क्या रिएक्शन है if they are getting married or something?
If they are, then I'm happy for them, but I'm not sure I'm the right person to be breaking this news or not. I have not been told anything, so don't go by my word. नहीं हम इतने क्लोज नहीं हैं. जी. Yes, just around the corner. Yes. पूछिए.
बताइए हमें कि अब कितना आपको उसमें व्यस्त होना पड़ेगा प्रमोशंस?
Well, आप जानते हैं प्रमोशंस कैसे होते हैं, and अभी I just started today in fact with my round of interviews, and I'm going to be very very busy in the coming month. 24th August को रिलीज हो रही है हैप्पी फिर भाग जाएगी, and I'm really excited about it. So अब भागम दौड़ शुरू and प्रमोशन शुरू.
बर्थडे के समय आप हमेशा चली जाती हैं, कुछ इस बार की ऐसी विश है?
मैं छुप जाती हूँ आपसे. नहीं, ऐसी कोई विश नहीं है, बट यू नो मी, आई एम अ वेरी लो की पर्सन. मुझे अच्छा लगता है मेरी प्राइवेसी, मेरे अपने क्लोज जो लोग हैं साथ में, वो मुझे पसंद है ज़्यादा. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई जस्ट टेक ऑफ अवे फ्रॉम इट ऑल. आई डोंट लाइक टू हैव अ वेरी बिग सेलिब्रेशन.
कोई गिफ्ट मिला इस बार?
बहुत गिफ्ट मिले. एक गिफ्ट मेरी मॉम ने मुझे एक बहुत सुंदर पेयर ऑफ इयररिंग्स दिए हैं, तो वो बहुत ही डियर है मेरे हाथ में.
And before you leave, हमने पिक्चर देखा ना, मतलब how can I can't describe it, but you were looking so fit in this. वो कुछ ऐसा था vertical and abs वगैरह के साथ में.
वो abs जी थोड़े आ रहे हैं. मैं बहुत मेहनत कर रही हूँ, तो they better come, otherwise I'll have to like beat them out of me.
कौन इंस्पायर किया हो एब्स के लिए?
I think नहीं, एक तरह से जब आप एक फिटनेस जर्नी पर चले जाते हैं और जब आप रिजल्ट देखते हैं तो खुद आप अपने मोटिवेशन बन जाते हैं. And I've been consistently trying to improve on myself, not being inspired by anybody, but खुद पर काम करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much.
आप सुना रही हैं लेकिन आपका दिल भी उतना ही.
Thank you so much. Thank you. आपसे हमेशा बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Real Sonam. Take it inside. Take it inside. We take it inside. We take it inside. Take it inside.
कुछ को बोलिए.
How excited you are about today?
I am quite excited actually. I'm stepping out to any event after a while. So, and this is pretty much it, you know. Yeah. I'm wearing an outfit by Human, and they've styled it and designed it. So, thank you.
Yeah, look straight here. Center here. Look here, this camera, this camera. One more straight here. Right here. And on your right, please. Oh yeah, look here. Here on your right.
Second one. Yes, यहाँ पे. Up over here. Yes, look here. Up over here. Smile. Look here, look here.
Straight down. Right here. Center. Thank you.
अभी
सामने just avoid the top right now.
गंगा जी सामने, गंगा जी सामने, यहाँ पे गंगा जी, यहाँ पे गंगा जी इधर भी, गंगा जी यहाँ पे सामने, एकदम सामने, गंगा जी यहाँ पे, सामने गंगा जी
Extreme right.
No, right here. Center.
सेंटर में हम दो राइट एकदम सामने, गंगा जी सामने, मैम सामने यहाँ पे, गंगा मैम यहाँ पे, गंगा जी राइट भी देखिए, राइट साइड में, गंगा मैम यहाँ पे, यस राइट, एंड राइट साइड, गंगा जी अभी राइट पे, राइट पे, गंगा जी यहाँ, गंगा मैम यहाँ पे, गंगा जी राइट पे, राइट पे, अरे हाँ, गंगा मैम लोग क्या मैम, लोग क्या मैम, गंगा मैम यहाँ पे, गंगा मैम यहाँ पे,
Kangna. Yes. So Kangna, whom are you wearing today?
This is Gaurav Gupta, and he has made this specialized, customized costume for Liva. You know Liva, right? Liva is the fabric, and it's specially made for this evening, and Liva is the sponsor of this evening. Very good, sir. Very good. So yes, Liva is the sponsor of this event, and so I'm wearing Liva. I've been endorsing Liva for a while now, and it's like you can see, like when I entered, everyone's like, wow. So that's the impact of the garment and the fabric. So very happy to be here tonight.
Now, your once beauty secret of yours.
Beauty secret. I try and be healthy. I try and do yoga when I can, and I try and make good choices when it comes to eating.
Happy evening, Kangna. Kangna, you have been always such a powerful personality when you come for any event. Is it comes from your inside? Or your statement or whatever?
Well, I think, I've been a very confident person from the beginning. Even as a kid, I was quite confident, if that's what you're asking. But yeah, I don't like to play meek or damsel in distress, like how some girls really do it well. And they benefit also a lot from always playing the damsel in distress. Not my case. I'm not convincing in that role.
We have very limited time, so we just everyone wanted to ask any event which you are looking forward for the event in this year, any ek bada koi event. To be particular, everyone wants to ask like about Priyanka's marriage. So we haven't able to ask you, so you got the opportunity if you would like to say.
I spoke to Priyanka the other day and I congratulated her, and she's responded in a very, she seems excited and very happy. So I mean, of course, if such a thing is sort of event is taking place, I would love to celebrate with her because she's lovely and she deserves all the happiness, and she's a very close friend, very dear friend, and I get very happy and excited with weddings and engagements, pretty much like Begani Shadi Mein Abdullah. That's my scene.
She confirmed the date?
No, not to me. Not to
and
me.
After that, everyone look forward to you. After.
Sumit, you've not popped the question. So, how can I decide a date?
Okay. And Kangna, Manikarna के बारे में next time पूछे? Yes. And
I have been warned. Please don't do this to me.
Start from here. On your right, please.
guys,
Control it.
Just look here. Look there. करेगा.
On your right side. On your right, please.
Ma'am on the second one. Ma'am on the second Look on your right. Extreme right. Extreme right. Sumit sir, रुको ना. Second mark आ जाओ. Ma'am on the second. Second mark. Ma'am second mark. जी. हाँ. ऊपर यहाँ पे सामने. पूरा straight है. यहाँ देखने पूरा मैम यहाँ पे ऊपर राइट यस राइट हाँ पूरा मैम यहाँ पे यस लुक हियर we want you back here
straight down
मैम यहाँ पे पूरा मैम यहाँ
straight
पूरा राइट में देखो एक्सट्रीम में
राइट
में थोड़ा जादू यहाँ पे यहाँ पे जबल
क्या चाहिए जादू जी
You guys are horrible. Hi, Daddy. How are you? Okay, I have to stay here.
जी A profile.
Thank you.
Honey.
How are you?
Good, and you?
Looking good.
Yes. Thank you very much. A very happy evening to you.
And shining lips.
Thank you. Yes. I was instructed that it's Beauty Awards and I have to be at my beautylicious best tonight.
And you are.
Thank you.
The magic is all over.
I have been warned not to smile and laugh, but I can't help it. Sorry. I'm very happy to be here.
See how popular you have become. You were
I know.
always, but like now people are like.
I know. I didn't know that good work can actually. I always actually believe that I want to be known for the work that I do and be appreciated for it and be loved. And this is just so amazing. Thank you. Thank you to everybody. Thank you.
Have been advised, like any beauty suggestions would you like to place for the audience and the viewers?
So the one beauty suggestion that I have is the fact that you must try something new, experiment. All of you know I never dress like this.
Yes.
So this is actually very different for me. It's experimental, but never forget to feel comfortable in your skin. So you should never forget who you are and who your personality is. And I guess that's always a winner.
And we are going to see you some more.
Yes, I hope. I hope so too.
But you have to confirm it right now, Voya.
Yes, I'm sure. Yes, I start working on my next project very soon, like in the next 4 days. So I'm quite excited. My shiny lips are sealed for now.
Okay, and would you be like you have gone through the other side and you used to be in this side?
Right.
So now this game is over for you?
No, I'm still going to be on your side and I'm still going to enjoy asking questions and also enjoy answering questions because there's always two sides to a coin. Yeah.
Thank you so very
Thank
much.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Shining.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
हाँ swing.
Once more. Once more.
Thank you. Just hold on.
Thank you. That's it.
One more.
No.
Thank you.
Once more. No.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello. Yes. Hello. Nehru. What are you doing? Chacha.
बस करो यार। चलो लाइट जलाओ।
Both of you start from this side. Both of you start from this side. Then आगे। Straight here. Together here in mind. Now look here.
Yes, both of you here. Over here, both of you.
Right in the center, please.
Thank you.
Sumit ji. एकदम सामने सर यहाँ पर on right
सुमित क्या सेकंड मार
keep looking straight thank you
हाँ
straight here
सुमित यहाँ देखना राइट
your right on your right possible chin now
सुमित से यहाँ पे सुमित से यहाँ पे सुमित से राइट में यहाँ पे
सर यहाँ
राइट में
thank you
सर
बहुत पछताएगा
रवीना मैम यहाँ पे रवीना मैम यहाँ पे रवीना मैम यहाँ पे
मारा था पहले फोटो मैंने
राइट में रवीना जी
रवीना जी लुक किया
रवीना मैम यहाँ पे राइट साइड यहाँ
रवीना जी लेफ्ट
रवीना मैम राइट में
स्माइलिंग थैंक यू प्लीज जी सीखने लायक ही है गाड़ियां मरती थैंक यू सही है एक तो मोड़ के साथ
थोड़ा सा आगे राइट साइड में यहाँ पे आपके राइट में
सर इधर
एक्सट्रीम राइट में सर राइट में इधर
and look here Rajkumar ji yeah thank you guys
सर स्क्रीनिंग कहाँ है कल पीवीआर में
मैं आपको फोन कर मैसेज सोएंगे तो नहीं सोते ही आगे नहीं सुपर साउंड
सनी सुपर साउंड ठीक है सर
यू वाला
हाँ
बता दो आप
कार्तिक Spanish congratulations for the award
थैंक यू सो मच सर
होल्ड कट ठीक है 1 2 3 on count of 3 1 2 3
जी
कार्तिक many congratulations for the award
थैंक यू सो मच सर थैंक यू सो मच
किस कैटेगरी में कुछ हमें बताना
हार्ट थ्रॉब ऑफ द ईयर कैटेगरी में मुझे अवार्ड सराहा गया सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी मैं आशा करूँगा मैं हार्ड वर्क करता रहूँगा अगले साल उसके बाद भी अगले साल कि मेरे को हर साल हार्ट थ्रॉब मिलता रहे साल का
थैंक यू सो मच
थैंक यू
सरताज जी सर अरे बसा लवकर बसा हमारे के प्रीवेली बचेगा सर आगे आइए ना सरताज जी सर यहाँ पे सर यहाँ पे
सर राइट सर यहाँ पे
सर
अरे फोन पीछे
Sanjay,
on your extreme right, on your extreme right, on your extreme right. Sir, left. एक सेकंड मैम, एक सेकंड. Yes, just pan left to right, sir. सर यहाँ पे सामने एकदम. Yes. Now here.
Yes, right.
Right here, sir.
Sir यहाँ पे ऊपर.
Minus, yes. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Safe.
You always. Safe. One fight. Right, sir. One fight. ट्रॉफी के साथ बाइट करें.
बाइट नहीं, बस हो गया बाइट.
विजुअल दे दो ट्रॉफी. ट्रॉफी के साथ. फोटो टॉपिक ट्रॉफी.
ट्रॉफी दीजिए.
हाँ, आप साइड हो जाओ.
एक्सट्रीम राइट से शुरू करना.
राइट से. साइड. सुमित यहाँ देखना. जानवी यहाँ देखना. यहाँ पे. जानवी लुक किया. जानवी आपको. जानवी यहाँ पे. जानवी यहाँ पे. जानवी सेंटर प्लीज. जानवी यहाँ पे. जानवी over here. Janvi straight. कार्तिक राइट से स्टार्ट. कार्तिक राइट से. कार्तिक यहाँ. कार्तिक राइट में.
हम ना मारा हुआ. कार्तिक यहाँ पे. कार्तिक राइट. कार्तिक on your extreme right. On your extreme right. Hold. Smile. Hold.
कार्तिक अभी कार्तिक भाई यहाँ पे.
Thank you, Sanchita.
Thank you, Sumit ji.
Good evening. Are you ready for the bite?
Yeah. Sorry? Yeah.
Good evening to you. Cut कर दो भाई.
Cut.
Good evening to you.
Good evening.
How was the function and the ceremony award function?
It was really nice. This is the first time I'm attending Vogue Beauty Awards. So it's really nice to be here.
Any suggestions for beauty would you like to suggest for the audience, viewers?
Well, I think beauty means so many different things, and to me, the kind of family I've grown up in, it's always about staying true to our roots when it comes to beauty rituals, when it comes to hair oils and all of that. So, yeah, like it's all in our culture.
It's equally important to project your beauty nicely. It's also important. Do you think?
Yeah, I think it's important to be a nice person and nice to people, and then I think you automatically become more beautiful when people like you and you're kind to people. So, yeah.
And before you leave, can I ask you, have you heard about the Kiki challenge?
No, I haven't actually. What is it?
It's a challenge in which the people just get down on their moving cars and start dancing.
Why?
It's become a viral sort of thing.
It's a kind
Why
of
do
challenge.
people do that?
But it's becoming hazardous also, dangerous also. Moving out of the...
Yeah, it sounds like a really dangerous thing to do, so don't do it. Don't do the Kiki challenge.
People as an ideal, and when you see something, you're not about these things.
Yeah, people should not do anything stupid. I mean, use your brain. Think about what you're doing before you do it.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you.
Concerned also. साथ में फोटो
किसके साथ?
अरे बाप रे। मैम बिल्कुल राइट से शुरुआत कीजिएगा। आपके मुरीद इधर भी हैं।
यस मैम, आपकी इधर।
हाँ जाइए हम इधर से राइट से। हाँ बस। हाँ माशाल्लाह क्या लग रहे हैं आप बताइए।
यस मैम, आप इधर है सर जी।
अब धीरे धीरे टर्न हो जाएगी। सामने। शुक्रिया शुक्रिया, थैंक यू सो मच। मंगेश दादा हो इकडे येणार आहे. हां कमिंग जी यहाँ पे देखिए जी। Look straight, एकदम फोटो पक्का पक्का 5 मिनट।
हाँ जी, पहले आप कहाँ थे?
एक्चुअली आपको जल्दी में।
अच्छा।
वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू यू एंड कांग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर द ट्रॉफी अवार्ड। कुछ बताएंगे किस चीज़ के लिए है ये?
आजकल साथ रहने के लिए वो अवार्ड मिल जाता है और अली मुझे एक साथ रहने का अवार्ड मिला है।
खास
ब्यूटीफुल कपल अवार्ड। He wants to know why we won the award.
एक बहुत ही अलग अवार्ड से नवाजा गया इस बार तो आपको।
हाँ।
जी जी।
What has been the most beautiful thing of being together?
Wow. That's not one thing. There's so many things. So many things. I'm just really happy that it all sums up in one award.
Yeah.
It's usually not that easy to sum things up like this.
अच्छा आप बताना चाहेंगे कोई खास बात विशेष being together?
We are best friends actually. Who fell in love. That's what's nice about it.
And would like to take this further any next step?
आप तो बच्चों का स्कूल भी पूछ रहे हैं। अब निकले क्या 11 बज गए?
अच्छा नहीं एक चीज़ और we talk about both of your films also.
Yes.
The news is everywhere and it's very important. Probably the role is कुछ आप हमें अपने शब्दों में बताएं.
Oh yeah. We started filming for Shakila. I finished one schedule और मैं आज दोपहर को आई हूँ 2 बजे. And Ali's been shooting for Prasthanam and Milan Talkies.
Yeah. Well, that's about it actually.
शकीला कितनी important रहेगी आपके लिए फिल्म शकीला मतलब?
अल्लाह मालिक है. मुझे बाद में पता चलेगा. I don't know. I'm doing my best. It's not easy to be, doing this part. I'm doing my best.
I mean, it's a true life story, I think.
It's a real story, so biopics are always hard.
आप अपनी फिल्म के बारे में बताना
जी बस मिलन टॉकीज है दिग्मांशु लोहिया की फिल्म। अभी उसके 10 दिन रह गए हैं शूट के, तो मैं इसीलिए वापस आया हूँ बॉम्बे कंप्लीट करने। एंड या आई वाज शूटिंग फॉर प्रस्थानम।
नींद नहीं आ रही आपको? हम जाएं?
अच्छा एक चीज़ और कि आपकी बातें हमेशा ही लोगों पे प्रभाव डालती हैं और आपके विचार भी बहुत ही प्रभावशाली रहते हैं। ये कुछ ऐसा चल रहा है किकी चैलेंज।
मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी, मैं 2 हफ्ते से जंगल में थी, वहाँ नेटवर्क नहीं था, तो ये क्या है मुझे नहीं पता। मैं अपने आप को इससे अक्वेंट करके दोबारा जवाब देना चाहूँगी, मुझे बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं है।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। इट्स एक ऐसा पता नहीं कोई वीडियो वगैरह लोग बनाते हैं जिसमें हम चलती गाड़ी से उतरते हैं और डांस करते हैं। ऐसा करते हैं लोग।
देखिए बॉम्बे में इतना ट्रैफिक होता है, कोई चलती गाड़ी से उतरेगा तो भी आराम से उतर के पूरा बोगी करके डांस कर सकता है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है।
पर ये काफी खतरनाक भी हो सकता है कि मेरे बच्चे ये ट्राई।
जी हाँ, बेवकूफ़ी है। पर कोई बात नहीं, मस्ती है, देखते हैं। एज लॉन्ग एज नो वन गेट्स हर्ट। या
पुलिस वगैरह भी काफी एहतियात बदल रही है, लोगों को कह रही है, और आप जैसे लोग इनकी बातें लोग इतनी शिद्दत से लेते हैं, तो उनका कहना बहुत ये होगा कि अगर आप भी ये करें अभी कि भाई
आप मत करिए बस, मुझको पता नहीं क्या है ये। आप कीकी मत करिए, ओके? कीकी I've never heard. हम लोग थे नहीं एक्चुअली यहाँ पे। गुड नाइट।
गॉड ब्लेस यू बोथ ऑफ यू। आपकी उल्टी है मैं मोबाइल यहाँ पे रख दीजिए, मोबाइल अच्छे भी
अच्छा नहीं है, बहुत अच्छा है उसका
मोबाइल अच्छा है लेकिन अच्छा हमें नहीं लगा एक स्टेप करा थोड़ा सा ये परफेक्ट पोजीशन है अभी यहाँ देखना कैमरा में hands up फोटो धीरे यार वापस आ रहे बाकी कोई नहीं चाहिए,
रुक जाइए, पीछे रुक जाइए।
On your right.
चलिए मैम, रवि हाँ मैं साइड में।
Very welcome खान साहब, सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहूँगा कि whom are you wearing today?
Who am I wearing today? One second. Okay, Shalina has designed my clothes.
A very happy evening to you.
Thank you very much.
You're looking absolutely superb.
Thank you.
Missing you so much कि आप मिल ही नहीं पा रहे थे हम लोगों से।
यार मैं I've been busy, हमारा बस आखिरी 2 दिन रह गया है हमारी फिल्म का आनंद राय के साथ, तो इंशाल्लाह कल परसों ख़त्म हो जाएगा। So yeah, I've been traveling, finishing that off, and अब मैं यहीं रहूँगा, अभी 2 दिन में ख़त्म हो जाएगा।
कुछ फिल्म के बारे में अपडेट करना चाहेंगे?
यार वो आनंद राय साहब ही करेंगे, अभी तो हम सब लोग काम में मसरूफ़ थे। कल परसों हमारी शूटिंग आखिरी है, फिर उसके बाद पैच वर्क रह गया था थोड़ा सा, तो वो ख़त्म करूँ। तो फिर आनंद सर ही वो मुझे बोलते हैं इस फिल्म के बारे में सिर्फ मैं बात करूँगा, तुम मत करो, तो मैं बात बिल्कुल नहीं करूँगा, वही करेंगे।
सर अगर ट्रेलर की बात करिए तो ट्रेलर हम लोग कब तक देख पाएंगे?
सॉरी,
टीजर तो आ गया है, जैसे ट्रेलर हम लोग कब देख पाएंगे?
यार मुझे जेन्युइनली मालूम, सारा कुछ जो है कलर येलो कर रहे हैं, द होल क्रिएटिव एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द फिल्म इज हैंडल्ड बाय कलर येलो, तो थोड़ा मुश्किल है बिकॉज ऑफ द विजुअल इफेक्ट्स, तो हर चीज़ में वक्त लगता है। सो यू नो इट्स नॉट लाइक अ रेगुलर फिल्म कि आज डिसाइड किया परसों बन गया, तो हमने डिसाइड किया हुआ है, लेकिन कब तक बन के तैयार हो जाएगा वो आनंद सर और उनकी टेक्निकल टीम को मालूम है, विजुअल इफेक्ट्स एक्चुअली इसको मालूम है। सो वो लगे हुए, कोई मुझे भी पता नहीं है कब है। मैंने उससे अपने आप को बाहर रखा हुआ है यार, बिकॉज जो मुझे काम करना पड़ता है फिल्म में वो बहुत इंजॉयबल है, लेकिन बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, तो इसलिए मैंने कहा मैं इससे दूर रहता हूँ क्रिएटिव एस्पेक्ट से और मार्केटिंग से।
आपकी वीडियोस देखते रहते हैं हम, आप इंस्टाग्राम वगैरह पे, तो काफ़ी आप उसी के जरिए आजकल हम लोग इंटरेक्ट कर मतलब देख पाते हैं आपको।
हाँ यार, मेरे को सब बोलते हैं ऐसे इंस्टाग्राम पे कुछ कर दो, बहुत दिन हो गए, क्या वो इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी डाल दो, तो मैं वो प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ, अभी मैंने सीख लिया है, पूरा नहीं सीखा है लेकिन मैं कर रहा हूँ।
शायरी वगैरह भी मतलब आती है, कई बार ऐसा बताते हैं।
शायरी?
हाँ मतलब कुछ वर्ड्स हो,
नहीं वो नॉर्मल होगा, शायरी साउंड करता होगा मेरे को।
सर एक शायरी है, जैसे कि हमने लिखा था उन परिंदों को रोकना छोड़ दो जो हमारे यहाँ लौट कर आएंगे, समथिंग लाइक दैट।
मैंने लिखा?
यप सर, मैंने लिखा था।
तुमने लिखा?
नहीं सर, आपने लिखा था, मैंने लिखा था।
इन्हें देखा था, आपने लिखा था, इन्हें देखा था।
नहीं भाई, किसी और का देख रहा है, किसी और
Thank you. Any particular event in this year which you are looking forward to? Any particular?
To be honest, I look forward to this Vogue. I want to thank जो इस Vogue के करता धरता हैं प्रिया और अनाइटा, और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मुझको उन्होंने ऐसे अल्टीमेट
अल्टीमेट मैन ऑफ द डेकेड अवार्ड दिया, जिससे मेरे को बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है। और उन्होंने मेरी बेटी को वोग के कवर पे डाला जो नेक्स्ट है, तो मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा मोमेंट है। और मेरे बच्चों के लिए बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म उनको मुहैया है, उनको दिया गया है। सो उनको और भी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली जितने भी ऑल द चिल्ड्रन जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से हैं, उनको कुछ ना कुछ एंटाइटलमेंट मिलती है, क्योंकि वो फिल्मों के कलाकारों के बच्चे हैं। बट आई थिंक इफ़ यू आर एबल टू गिव देम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दे विल डू बेटर। सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट वोग हैज़ बीन सो काइंड।
खान साहब, बॉलीवुड में काफ़ी शादी का सीन है, तो काफ़ी सेलिब्रिटीज़ की शादी होने वाली है, तो आप उस पर कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? जैसे हाल ही में न्यूज़ आई है,
मैं भी कर रहा हूँ जरूर। तुमको मैं न्योता भेजूंगा मैं। हाँ, मेरा कार्ड आएगा रिसेप्शन, और ना मेहंदी पे ज़रूर आना, ठीक है?
Thank you so much. Shahrukh sir,
Maybe I'll
sir, please one
Katrina ma'am. Very happy evening to you.
Hello.
You have got an award. Congratulations for it.
Thank you.
Can you describe the award like we were not inside? You can help us. What was the award all about?
The award is about inspiring people and being an inspiration. I think almost every year I try and attend the Vogue Beauty Awards. Working with the Vogue team is always an inspiration to me. Anita Shroff is someone who's been with me since the very first day that I started working in my career. So she's always been an inspiration, a fashion inspiration, and I think a guide, and a very important guide. She's done so many of my films, created so many amazing looks for the characters we played in the films. And I always find it extremely inspiring to be working with them. So I think maybe this is a nice way of exchanging our compliments for each other. So the award for the year was for the inspiration.
We have very short time, but we can ask you. You have been very graceful, like in coming up and saving the film Bharat. So now you join it. Can you just tell us, say something on it, like as you joined the cast?
अच्छा, ऐसा तो नहीं है. I don't see it that way at all. Honestly, Ali Abbas Zafar is a very dear friend of mine. पहले हम लोग साथ में काम कर चुकी थी, मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन में, and इसके बाद टाइगर जिंदा है में. And both of the films were extremely successful, and more importantly, they were experiences which for me were really wonderful, and I really enjoyed both the experiences working with him. And when he contacted me, he just said, Katrina, he calls me Goldfish. So he said, Goldfish, I'm going to send you a script, just react to it and tell me what you think. And I read the script and I thought it was an absolutely wonderful script, and I was extremely excited about the character, and I'm very happy to be a part of the film.
Weren't you apprehensive to like someone's exit and then you coming in?
See, always the way that I've chosen my films has always been purely based on the script for me and what the character is. So for me, it's extremely exciting to be working with the team again. It's a wonderful script, and I completely love the character that I'm going to play. So very excited.
And tomorrow you are there for the Manish Malhotra show?
Yes, I'll be watching this one. Thank you.